In today's video, I will be teaching you how to fix Parsec error 6023. So let's get started. The first thing you will have to do is go to your search bar, search for firewall and click on the first option. Now on the left hand side, click on the first option that says allow an app or feature through the firewall. At the top right, click on change settings and at the bottom click on allow another app. On the right, click on browse, locate the Parsec file and then click on add. Next, press the Windows and R key together. In the run box that appears, type the command cmd/k space tract space 1.1.1.1. The text is appearing on screen as well and press enter. The command prompt will open up. After the trace is complete, if there is an issue, the difference in milliseconds will be very large. For example, in the first row, you might see a value like 1 and there you go. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.